Hey guys, Altcoin Sherpa here with a crypto market review. Today I want to talk to you guys about the DeFi coins. As always, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional. Trading is risky. Do your own research. Today I selected several decentralized finance coins that I wanted to review for charts. I believe that DeFi coins are going to have a very strong run here in the winter, and we're going to see a as strong or possibly stronger run than many of these had over the summer. I think that decentralized finance is here to stay, and I think that these coins are going to be very strong going forward. I'm going to review both the USDT pair and the BTC pair. I am going to just check out these coins. I know there's several other DeFi coins as well, but these are the ones I chose, and I would like to try and fit this under 10 minutes if possible. Here's AAVE. AAVE had a different ticker from Lend, and the previous chart is no longer available. I'm extremely bullish on AAVE. $53 was a excellent entry using these fibs. I have just been accumulating this, and I am very bullish on this. You can't really see anything with this price history, so I'm going to go to the AAVE BTC chart, where you see much more price history. And as of right now, you still could maybe say these are bearish retests, but in my opinion, I believe that AAVE has printed a bullish market structure. I believe that these highs right here were recently just taken out, and now we're eventually going to see a higher high on the BTC chart, and eventually higher lows. So it wouldn't surprise me at all to see this go up and then back down and up. And usually fibs are good SR levels, but I believe that AAVE is very bullish, and I like this volume coming in here. I have been scaling in all throughout this area, and yeah, I'm very bullish on this in the coming months. YFI, extremely bullish as well. Here is the BTC chart. I'm sorry, this is the YFI USD chart. As I said before in a recent Twitter post, don't be afraid to buy stuff that is already very strong. I remember last time on the YFI run, I bought around $13,000 just in this consolidation block, and then it continued to skyrocket. We've seen YFI do very strong moves overall lately. It wouldn't surprise me at all to see this maybe pull back a little bit, but I believe that price is forming the base for which price will eventually take out these highs, this 45K area. You can still call this a bearish retest, of course, but on lower time frame charts, this is still a very bullish market structure, in my opinion. You're still seeing higher highs, and I believe that price is just going to keep going up. It's quite possible as well that price prints a higher low and continues up. That's entirely possible. In terms of marking your lows, maybe something like 25K would be an okay entry. YFI BTC, it's the same concept as I said before. I believe that price is currently building a base. It's not, you could potentially call this like a short-term double top. You can definitely make an argument for that. You can see top here one, like this. But I still believe that price will push higher. And the BTC pairs on all of these altcoins right now are going to be lagging behind the USDT pairs simply because Bitcoin is looking so strong in general. Once Bitcoin starts pulling back a little bit or is done with its run, that's when the alt BTC pairs are going to reverse. Generally, you will see a reversal similar to this right here. You'll see this for a lot of altcoins where they'll have V-shaped reversal patterns. I do have a video on YouTube for altcoin reversal patterns, so check that out. I believe that Bitcoin is forming, I'm sorry, YFI is forming the base though to eventually push higher, and it wouldn't surprise me at all to see this go up to this this area. KAVA, this one has noticeably lagged. This one kind of reminds me of the Band chart. Not that Band is a decentralized finance coin, but KAVA has just been ranging. Wonder if this is... So look at that. This is like a range that's in. That's kind of crazy. That this right here is just the EQ, the equilibrium of the range. So price is just trading right here in the middle. Really nothing to say about KAVA. It's just range bound, similar to Band. It's just going to go ahead and keep ranging, and then it'll explode up. The KAVA BTC pair, again, this is ranging. Really not much to say. This is, if you wanted to buy the BTC pair, you can probably go ahead and buy down here this 8,000 sats area. And if it loses this area, the next area up, I guess, would be this 8,000 to 7,000 range. BNT Bancor had a huge run. This is the tether chart. It has lagged behind some other DeFi coins after having a massive run in the summer. This Fibonacci right here, this Fibonacci range has shown that it's still in a bearish market structure, hitting lower highs. However, I would like to see price just continue to consolidate and then keep going higher. Another bullish thing would be if this hit a higher low like this, and then it would form something like this. Something like that would be nice to me before seeing it push higher. And the BNT BTC chart, again, this is going to look a little bit like KAVA. It's not really moving either direction. I thought this was a range breakout, but it's not. It's just another lower high. But this should reverse soon. I mean, generally, the alt BTC charts have more V-shaped reversals during this time of the year than otherwise. Anyways, yeah, I believe that BNT looks neutral on the BTC chart. It's not a bad spot to start accumulating if you want. And it's quite possible that price just formed a range too, like here. And you can see the equilibrium of the range getting tapped right there and then all throughout. So it's possible that price just does something like this. Regardless, oh, I missed REN. REN is also a decentralized finance coin. This one has been having a unusual price action where it's making higher lows in general, and you can see higher lows being formed, and you can also see lower highs. This is similar to what I would like to see on, what was it? Oh, it's BNT Tether. I would like to see something like that form. Same thing that's happening for REN. You're seeing higher lows. And I actually thought that it would go a little higher before pulling back, and it looks like it did not make it that high. And so anyways, this right here is fairly neutral. It wouldn't surprise me if this continued higher, but you're going to have plenty of time to enter this one if you want. SNX, this is a coin that I am exposed to myself, and I think this one, along with AAVE and YFI, looks really good. I would like to see these lows hold, and it'd be nice to see something like this. And again, you're going to see the same kind of pattern like this, and then go higher. SNX Bitcoin, I think there's more price history on KuCoin maybe. Yeah, okay, so this was just like a head and shoulders reversal, and before on its big run, and now price is just basically kind of accumulating, forming a base, call what you want, and then I think this is eventually going to break higher. But like the other altcoins, I feel that you have plenty of time to enter on this one in the BTC pair. There's no need to rush in these situations. However, when Bitcoin is done with its run, you might see this start to go pretty big. For instance, I'm trying to find other. I guess SNX has had fairly long accumulation bottoms, but I think that this is the bottom forming right now, though. So one thing I also want to caution you guys on for alt BTC pairs is if Bitcoin does something crazy like go to 25K, then these alt BTC pairs are going to go all the way back down. And in that case, you are going to see something like this, maybe, or even worse, you could see price go all the way back down here, depending on how big Bitcoin moves. But I'm basically waiting until Bitcoin resolves itself. Until that time, we're going to have great altcoin gains here and there, but it's not going to be full-blown alt season where there's 20% to 50% every single day for a while until Bitcoin is done with its run. And right now, you can't conclusively say that Bitcoin is done with its run yet. Just keep an eye on Bitcoin, and my personal plan is just to keep accumulating these coins and to just scale in. I'm already in YFI, AAVE, and SNX, and that's probably all I'm going to enter, but I think that all these coins are going to do very well in the next coming months. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, please. I greatly appreciate it.